Okay, we have a Bridgeport vertical machining center, model GX1000, serial number NVCB1H1091. Machine was new in 2011. It has a Fanuc OIMD control. Very nice clean paint. Machine has a 44.1 by 21.3 T-slotted table. You have 40.16 in the X travel, 21.25 in the Y, and 21.25 in the Z. We're running right now 2,500 RPM. It goes up to 10,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle, big plus. That's 5,000 RPM. Nice and quiet machine. Has a 30 position side mounted automatic tool changer as well. What's the RPM now? 7,500. All right. We're going to do a tool change or a simulated one. Okay, also the machine does have a chip conveyor. That's your Y. Your Z. And your X. Machine also has a chip conveyor. Chip conveyor. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.